Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to work on the unit life today. So life is it's not different. It's different from the health point, because health is, well, it just indicates how healthy you are, but it's not necessarily the hit. It's different from the hit point that you can take the damage of. So if you get the damage like 10 and your health is 10, that doesn't mean you're dead. So the life of your unit is defined differently. So how? It is actually 3 times of the health. I'm just gonna define it. Okay, create a method called life. And that is a number. It returns a number that return this actor health times times 3. So that's life. But yeah, the co-pilot is doing really important thing. He's trying to subtract the damage, which is true. So I will. Okay, so life. Okay, so let's return life. That's subtract. So and create another method called max life, and that's just health times 3, right? And let's show that. Let's close everything. Actor data. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this and create a closing tag. And then what I do is life is unit life and unit max life. So 42, yes, 42, and then okay, let's move here. That's good. And attack with the spear on this guy. It was a mess, sorry. Okay, and turn. Okay, it's my turn. Alright, let's move to this dot and turn this way. Oops, sorry. And turn this way. Oh, no. Don't go. Let's move to this. And then, okay, well, it's okay. You can just stay here. And then attack with the sword right next to you. It was a hit, 2.5. So clicking this guy, right, he has life of 39.5 now, and then 42 is his max life. Interesting, very interesting. Okay. Interesting. Am I going to show 395 instead of 39.5? Because that's more friendly for users, right? So I'm just going to multiply everything by 10. And actually, what is a decimal? 1. Did I make a decimal function? Decimal is not defined. What was that function that I just made to round up the number to whatever decimal I want? Mass show decimal. Okay. So that was the. maybe there was like a natural default function to display part of the decimal, but so right decimal, show decimal, show decimal. No, 270 times 0. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's move to this section. Great. And then face this way. And then attack with the sword. Was a miss. Okay, so after the attack is done, let's get the menu being shown up again. So stage attack. It's under the stage and attack unit. It's somewhere here. Attack. Sorry. Attack. Attack target. And then if it's when it's done, okay, attack target is called from where? Attack target, I think unit. Attack target, and then so it's gonna highlight the unit on focus again, and UI controller action menu actually show action menu. Okay, so if I attack the guy behind or in front of me, it was a hit 3.5. Let's see, he's got 35 right damages. It's cool.